Welcome back guys. In this video, I will tell you about the new fee structure of IST. So let's begin. First thing is that this new fee structure will be implemented for the students coming in 2021 year and onwards. So let's see what are the changes. In this fee structure, this fees is divided in three particulars: one-time fee, semester fee, and hostel and mess fee. So we will be saying individual particulars. So this one-time fee you need to pay only at the time of admission or graduation. So like some of things, alumni fee and convocation fee you need to pay only in your last sem. And these all things you need to pay at the time of admission. So this institute and library deposit fee of rupees 5,000 will be refundable at the time of your graduation. So let's see the semester fee. Semester fee includes tuition fee, which is the major portion of the semester fee, and other things are just nominal charges. So this tuition fee will be like you will get fee waiver depending on your category. So this overall semester fee is 67,950 rupees and the one-time fee will be 9,000. So let's see hostel and mess fee. So this includes hostel rent and mess charges. So this is 23,750 rupees. But like if you wish to stay in the campus in your vacation time, so you need to pay extra 3,000 for the mess. So this is per month charge. So normally vacation lasts around 1 month only. So you need to pay only 3,000. So in your first sem, you need to pay 98,200 rupees, including like one-time fee. But after that, for every semester, you need to pay only 91,700. So now let's see the tuition fee waiver scheme for different category students. So first, like it's divided into for the categories: unreserved category, EWS category, and OBC NCL category. So for this, people having income above 5 lakh, they don't get any fee waiver, so they need to pay full tuition fee. For students having income between 1 lakh and 5 lakh, so they need to pay only 20,850 rupees. And for students having income less than 1 lakh, they don't have to pay any tuition fee. Similarly, for SC, ST and PWD students, they also don't have to pay any tuition fee. So this scheme is similar to colleges like NITs and IITs. So IST also started this thing with upcoming batches. Also, your parental annual income will be verified and then only you will get this fee waivers. So in our case, the fee was 48,400 for one semester, and now you need to pay around 91,000. So there is 40,000 increase in your semester fee. So for all those students who need this PDF for reference, I will be uploading this PDF in the description, so you can download it from there